So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal reading for health and career for the rest of the month of August 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So, let's start, Pisces. Let's start with your health. Page of Pentacles. Okay, slight improvement in your health, and or you finding the solution, like just the right thing, just the initiation of something brand new, just the starting of something brand new, but feeling quite stable about it, feeling quite sure about it that you are going to figure out. It's like slight improvement in your health sector because of whatever you are going to start. It's going to start showing you results, and you're going to feel quite positive about it. You're going to feel quite stable about it, like this is something that I can work on or work with, and I can achieve my health goals. Okay. For you, the guidance is the Nine of Cups. See, overindulgence of anything is going to actually kill the like good vibes or good energies here. Maybe overeating or over drinking or overworking, or it's like beware of doing anything over, even if it is something good. Let's say somebody told you that you should have more water in your diet, and out of the blue you started drinking 4 or 5 liters of water per day, even if you were not drinking 1 liter per day. That is going to create a lot more issues than making things good for you. So overindulgence of any kind in your health area, even if it is something good, is not recommended. See, anything done or anything taken more than required is poison, even if it is good or bad, doesn't matter. So that you have to beware of, that you have to take care of. Something that you are starting, you have to take it step by step and follow it properly, and you are good to go. But again, beware of the overindulgence kind of things in anything. Over exercising, over exerting, over exhausting yourself, that you have to take care of. If you're doing job or working for others, we have the Fool card. Do not take unnecessary risks, okay? Because there is the energy of you having some kind of troublesome energies around you if you're going to do any kind of stunt, without thinking about the consequences about it. Let's say, for example, one day you got frustrated and you felt like I should just leave my job, and you went to your office, and you told them that I'm not going to come from tomorrow, without even thinking about the consequences, without having any proper plan regarding the next step. Don't do these kind of things. I just gave you an example. It can be anything. So don't try to be, I'm not saying over smart, but don't be foolish. You should have a proper plan. If you are trying to leave something or achieve something in your life, you should have a proper plan. So don't jump into the unknown before having a proper planning in your job area. Handle with care kind of a thing it is. One slight, you know stupid step can cost you a lot here. Wow. The guidance here is the Queen of Wands. You might be trying to manifest your own reality. You might be trying to create a dream life or dream job or dream career of yours, and it might tell you to take the risk because you got one life. Take calculated risk, Pisces. Again, until unless you don't have a solid plan to go ahead with right now, for the time being, it's not a lifetime reading. Right now, for the time being, be a little cautious in whatever you are trying to do and the way you are going to do it. Let's say, for example, if you have to leave the job as well to get your dream job or something, do it in a way that it's not going to hurt anybody, and maybe you can go back whenever you want to. Just an example. So basically, avoid any kind of like wearing your heart on your sleeves kind of energy. Avoid doing anything stupid, or avoid doing anything out of just passion only. Okay. Take your time before doing anything in this particular area of your life, because again, it might create issues for you only, and that you will not be able to manage properly if not taken care of right now. For those of you who are doing their own business or self-employed, the justice, you are going to get the results as per your karma, as per your actions that you have taken in your business thing. You might have to go through some kind of legal problems, legal issues, but you will be able to figure out the solutions as well, because the justice is the card of balance. Again, whatever karma, whatever deeds you have done in this area of your life, you are going to get the results accordingly. If you have done something legally wrong or something that you should not have done, you are going to get the karma accordingly. If you have done everything right and you are just trying to figure out a solution here, you will be able to get that. You will be able to do that eventually. So take it how it resonates with you. See, the guidance here is the Three of Swords. You might feel like this is very unfair and I have don't done nothing wrong, or why the hell I keep on suffering, why the universe is against me. A lot of people does that. Why the whole universe is kind of punishing me for things that I really want to achieve in my life. You might get these kind of thoughts. But Pisces, even if nobody is watching, the universe is watching. Please take help from somebody who can help you to get out of these kind of issues. If you are facing any kind of issues, especially legal issues, do not ignore this problem. Okay, go through this problem properly. And if you have done something wrong, go through the process in a way that you can come out of it and there is no karma attached to that thing. Again, don't try to, it's like suppress this thing. Don't try to be like, okay, I did something wrong, but I don't want to deal with it, so I'm going to give money to somebody and they will make my wrong right. Don't try to do that. Again, you will end up adding karma. Try to just go through the consequences of whatever wrong happened here. Maybe you did nothing wrong. Maybe it was a technical error, maybe it was a documentation error or something like that, or maybe you never read the documents clearly, or you never read the contract clearly. It can be anything. Just gave you few examples. Okay, so take legal help, and if you know you did something really wrong, go through this process step by step. Don't try to rush or hurry. The universe is not punishing anybody or anything or anyone. It's actually our own karma coming up. Yeah. For those of you who are trying to start their own business or seeking for a job, career opportunity, Queen of Swords, your communication skills should be very powerful. Your confidence level should be good. Now, overconfident energy, or thinking like that, thinking like only you can achieve certain things or only you deserve this kind of job opportunity or business opportunity, is definitely going to kill the energies that's coming forward towards you. I got the same energy for Aquarius also. It was King of Swords and this job seeking energy or business starting energy. So beware of being overconfident in any way, and any kind of miscommunication should not happen. So either it is going to happen from your side, or you are going to meet somebody who is going to make you feel like you're not worthy enough or you can't do it. Don't listen to anybody. They themselves are frustrated kind of people. Okay, be confident in yourself and understand that you can achieve anything, but with love and compassion and trust in yourself. You might not get the opportunity because of these kind of issues that I told you, but it is definitely going to give you a very valuable lesson for your life. Okay, the guidance here is the Ace of Cups. See, use your heart, not your head. Okay, when it comes to getting a new job, so let's say for example you're killing your soul to get a job opportunity, career opportunity, but when you started doing that, you are going to feel like you are in some kind of jail. You are going to feel like somebody is killing you day by day. So don't do that. If you know something is not good for you, whether it's a job opportunity or business opportunity, if your heart is not telling you to go in that direction, don't go in that direction, because it's kind of going to be a mess. Nothing good is going to come out of that. Now it's up to you. Okay, please listen to your heart here. Okay, for your finances, the Magician, you have all the tools and necessary resources in order to make your financial life good. Okay, so you might be in this energy of manifesting a specific amount of money or early retirement, or feeling like, okay, this is how my finances should look like. Your manifestation will start showing you results. Okay, I do see some kind of results coming as per your manifestation in your financial area, because you are going to be very organized, you are going to be very systematic, and or you are at least trying to from this point onwards, and you are going to have a goal that this is how much amount of finance money I'm going to save, or this is how much I'm going to make till this point of my life. And this is like manifestation game is on, and you starting seeing the results of your manifestation slowly but surely. Just the starting of seeing the results of your manifestation in this particular month. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Wands. If you're struggling to have a proper systematic plan, if you are struggling to invest or to save money, or to, just have a good relationship with your money, take help from somebody who is having good knowledge about these things. That is definitely going to put you at ease, and that is definitely going to help you to manifest whatever you are trying to manifest in your financial area. The kind of financial freedom, the kind of financial growth you want, if you're not able to do it yourself, there's no harm in taking help. In fact, when we take help, we tend to do better in our lives, right? That you can do. Instead of struggling within yourself and struggling constantly, continuously regarding this thing, maybe professional help, maybe somebody who is in the financial sector, maybe who is a person or somebody who is good enough to understand properly about the finances and savings, that can help you a lot, that you can definitely look for. Okay, so this is what I have for you, Pisces. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.